Hi, I'm Mark McKillary with liveanabolic.com, and today I'm going to give you a fantastic 10-minute lower body workout that you can do at the comfort of your own home with nothing more than just a few pairs of dumbbells. Now guys, there's an old saying, friends don't let friends skip leg day, and that is true for several reasons. The most important one though for us older guys is that the legs contain the biggest muscles in our entire body, and guess what that means? When we hit these leg exercises, which are almost all compound exercises, it triggers our body to ramp up production of testosterone. And of course, that's more important because we're getting old and we have much lower test levels than we did when we were in our 20s. And we need high test levels to help not only build muscle, but also to metabolize fat much more efficiently. All right, I've put together a circuit training for you guys today. It just has 3 different exercises, okay? Not super complicated, but I want you to do each exercise one after another with no rest between the exercises. Then after you've done all 3 of them, you can stop and rest. That's considered one circuit or one cycle, okay? Give yourself a little breath, maybe 60 seconds, 90 seconds, depending on what kind of condition you're in. Then I want you to do this circuit all over again 2 more times. So total of 3 circuits of these 3 exercises. So what we're going to start off with are some stiff-legged deadlifts. All right, I want you to do 10 of those. After you finish that, we're going to get down on our back and we're going to do weighted glute bridges. So I'm going to use one of these dumbbells. I'm going to put it on my waist. We're going to do 20 glute bridges, all right? After that, we're going to step up and then we're going to do something called Bulgarian Split Squats. Now, I'm not going to use any dumbbells with Bulgarian Split Squats. First of all, they're pretty tough as it is, just using your own body weight. And I designed it to be last in our cycle, so our legs are already going to be fatigued, which means we don't have to use added weight. Just your own body weight will be enough for these Bulgarian split squats. So I want you guys to follow along. I'm going to show you the correct form, okay? I'm going to try to kind of step you through it. You're going to see me get really out of breath because this really is tough, guys. We're hitting tons of muscles while we're doing these exercises. All right, let's start off with the stiff-legged deadlifts. Big misnomer, guys, on this exercise. It is not stiff-legged. We're actually going to bend our knees slightly. So, key is stick your butt out a little bit. First move, go down. See how my knees are slightly bent? All right, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm really feeling this in my hamstrings and glutes. 7, 8. I'm controlling the weight. Nice slow up, nice slow down. That's 10. Now I gotta get down, and without resting, we're gonna do 20 glute bridges. All right, put this dumbbell right on my waist here, okay? 20, 1, 2, 3. Now when I come down, 4, I don't let my butt completely touch the ground. I want to hover my glutes just barely off the ground. I don't want to get any rest, all right? So if you touch the ground with your glutes, that means you're giving them a rest. And so I want tension, okay? Your body weight and the dumbbell weight to be putting tension on our glutes. And also, guys, we're really getting our hamstrings great in this exercise. So even though it's called a glute bridge, we're working our hamstrings a lot in this movement, okay? So I come up, basically I flex as hard as I can, go as high as I can, in nice controlled movement up and down. And of course, guys, as always, I cannot talk and count at the same time. So I'm guessing I'm getting pretty close to 20 here. All right, let's call that 20. If I came up short, forgive me. Now, I'm gonna go straight into doing some Bulgarian split squats, okay? So, 1 step forward. Let's just up and down here. We're gonna do 10 on each leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, now 10. Now guys, notice that my back foot is not directly behind my front foot. It's off to the side a little bit. And that gives me stability from side to side, okay? 4, 5. I'm feeling it here in my thighs and also in my hamstrings and my glutes when I go all the way down, okay? It's about 7, 8, 9. Now once again, I can't talk and count very well, so forgive me. I might have done more than 10 there, but you can tell just from trying to talk to the camera right now, I'm out of breath, okay? This is not easy stuff, guys, and I designed it that way. So according to your level of fitness, just kind of listen to your body, okay? I want you to fill those lungs up. I want the blood pumping nice oxygen rich blood back to the muscles, okay? So that when we start cycle number 2, we'll be fully ready to give it 100%. So if you don't rest long enough, you'll get into this and you'll fatigue before you get to the 10 reps or 20 reps, depending on the exercise. And then also, guys, you just won't be able to do it with as good a form as I want you to do. So guys, I say this all the time, mind-muscle connection, okay? So I'm focusing mentally on the muscles that I'm using, okay? I'm maybe looking at you or just talking, but when I'm doing this by myself, a lot of times I'll close my eyes as I'm going through a particular movement, and I can really focus better on what I'm doing, get a much better contraction that way. Just get a lot more out of the exercise. All right, we gotta go back to the stiff-legged deadlifts. All right, here we go. Give you a little different angle here. So I'm gonna butt out is the very first part of this move, butt out, and then down. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to keep my back straight. 6, 8, 9. All right, here we go. Glute bridges. So we did 10 of those, but we got to do 20 glute bridges. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And don't do them real fast like this, guys, because you won't get anything out of them. So 4, hold it for a split second. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm not letting my butt touch at the bottom. 15. I'm getting close. 16. Full range of motion, but I'm not resting at the bottom of the movement. 18, 19, 20. All right. Woo. No rest for the weary. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Just one side alone gets me out of breath. Here we go, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I can feel the burn. Now, guys, I want you to adjust this workout according to your fitness level. So some of you guys out there are in really good shape. So instead of doing the number of reps that I'm doing, 10, 20, and 10, you might bump that up to 15, 30, 15. So we do more reps per exercise. And then instead of just doing 3 circuits, do 4, okay? So if that's you, listen to your body. You know what's going on much better than I do. Now, some of you guys out there, this is gonna be really tough, okay? So instead of just stopping at 7 reps, okay? And then going on the next exercise. Stop at 7, okay? Give yourself just a few seconds to breathe, okay? And then finish that setup. Go all the way to 10. All right, so if you can't make it to 10 without stopping, I'm fine with that. But don't stop and go to the next exercise. Finish each exercise and finish each circuit, no matter how long it takes you, and finish all 3 circuits, no matter how long it takes you. Because guess what? You do this for a while, guys, you're gonna be surprised at how quick you get back into shape. It'll be no big deal. All right, guys, last circuit. Stiff-legged deadlifts, here we go. Everybody doing split side like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Bulgarian split squats. Got 20 of these to do. Here we go. 1, 2. Now guys, I'm using the same weight here. If you have adjustable weights like I do, and you want to make this a little tougher, take a few extra seconds, okay, and walk over and load more plates, okay, on your adjustable dumbbells. That's fine. You can take an extra 5 or 10 seconds if that's what you need. And of course, guess what? I have no number what rep I'm on right now. Want to call that 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I think I did more than 20, so I get brownie points. Woo! And finally, here we go, Bulgarian split squats. You guys are gonna come to love these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you're having a hard time doing this, try this, okay? Put your hands on your thigh and push up, okay? So you can use your arms to help push up. If you can't quite go down as deep as you'd like, or if you can't get all 10 reps, this is a real simple way to cheat, okay? But only cheat on the reps that you need to cheat on. Don't cheat on all of them if you don't need to. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, you can do this. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. Okay, man. I feel the burn, guys. Feel the blood flowing in. Quads here, hamstrings, man, my glutes, everything. From my waist down, it got worked in that simple 10-minute workout, guys. Whew. Now remember, this is not the only video I've shot for you guys. I got tons of fantastic information. Just click on one of these other videos on the side of the screen over here. We got workout stuff, nutrition stuff, lifestyle stuff, tons of information. Be sure and don't forget, you got to subscribe to this channel. Share it with your buddies. Post some comments below. And don't forget to like it. And then, guys, as always, it's the long haul, guys. You can't, this is not a sprint. You have to always stick with it and never give up on yourself.